are in one restaurant. It's actually close by a hotel. And because our boat actually departing at 4 p.m. today, and it's a very nice sunny weather. Wow, so lucky. And today we are going back to Bali. So yeah, we just take the time to enjoy lunch, coffee before we heading back. But first of all, I will show you how it is the restaurant. It seems like a, you know, beach club style like in Bali, but yeah, more into Nusa Penida vibe.
So overall the place looks like this one. This is the restaurant, and then facing there's the swimming pool we're gonna show you, and there is the view of the bay and the other islands. This is Nusa Ceningan actually, and behind there will be Nusa Lembongan and Bali itself. And there is like a little garden where you have a seating area. This is sunset spot, but there are also nice houses where we started today's video, where you can have a, you know, nice lunch or drinks and watching the sunset from the private, like a little bamboo house kind of stuff. Well, it's during the daytime where we are now, but overall sunset is summer there. Perfect spot for watching. It's called Amok sunset, by the way, and they're making proper places for pictures. They're building something there. I don't know if it's different place or continuation. I think the continuation.
I think the continuation. I think that they're expanding the building basically. So yeah, this is it. Even whenever you stay in the hotel, this is just like 10 minutes from the hotel where we stay. So
yeah, I think the hotel is behind the hill somewhere there.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, this is it actually.
Behind me is called Gamat Bay. So I think this Gamat Bay is actually a popular spot for snorkeling. You see, that one boat is over there. Very nice. And that behind is Nusa Ceningan Island. Super cool, and surrounding is a very green areas. You see just like the cliff. I think that this place is the best for the sunset. That's why it's called Amok sunset. And surround me and behind me is just like the, you know, restaurant with the swimming pool. Just like a typical beach club in Bali. It's the same vibe, the same things, you know, selling, you know, food and drinks for dinner. And then probably DJ's party at night, probably.
Yeah, so basically this is the restaurant inside and the swimming pool. Some people coming, enjoying their time. Overall, chilling, resting place. Even doggos chilling here. This is it.
We all live on time we borrow. Time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark flying in the wind. We all look up to our fathers. All our lives if all is right, and we all mothers when the day is dark as night, and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Someone pulls an easy trigger, puts another to the ground. Disbelief, staring at his fingers, through which his blood runs with his life. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never gonna come to your town, gonna find your one of us for so long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining diamonds.
Wanted to show you a little bit of the harbor, what's going on here on the roads in Nusa Penida after the place where we were and to come here. We're in the harbor, we're gonna go to Bali in half hour. So this is it. Yesterday is also very important, where we're making the pictures and the videos in Clanking Beach and Broken Beach. Everything was pretty quiet. This is due to yesterday all the boats to Nusa Penida and from Nusa Penida were postponed, so no in, no out. So there were no day trips. And there is no day trips, but Nusa Penida in general is very quiet place and very cozy. You could really enjoy. So is it worth to come here for the day trip? Probably yes, you can do it without staying. For staying, I think even more, because you can experience a little bit of the life here, what is totally still Bali, because the Nusa Penida belongs to the Bali, to the Kelungkung Regency in general. You can still find the Hindu and all of the Balinese traditions. A little bit different, but it's pretty the same. same, but different, you know what I mean? And overall, it's like Bali long time ago, still not that much developed or over developed, especially, whoa, big wave. I hope so, it's not gonna be wavy, actually on the way. So it's not like Bali, not like Ubud or Canggu perhaps, so you can still enjoy pretty quiet. The roads are not that good, but also not that bad. Well, you can feel this is not that developed yet, but it's gonna be in the future, because we heard that there's gonna be lift to go to the Kelungkung Beach down there, like in the hotels in Bali, for example, from the cliff. Some Chinese company gonna be in this. So Nusa Penida will change. Also, we spoke with one of the drivers who drove us here, as all the land across the coast of Nusa Penida is already sold out. Already sold out for the private owned, mostly for the French, to the French people. This is also very interesting, not to Russians, as most of the you guys made thinking, or not to locals, or not to Chinese, but actually to the French. Interesting. And yeah, that's a lot of changes to Nusa Penida will be in the future, that's for sure. So if you're looking to experience this, the way how we make a video, I think this is the last few years to do this. And yeah, thanks so much for being with us. We're going back to Bali. I will see you tomorrow for another video from Bali. Splashy, splashy. Hope so you enjoy. You can let me know also what do you think about the Nusa Penida right now in 2023. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Take care.
Burning bread.